Why do 80% of successful entrepreneurs start with no money? Let's find out. First, identify a skill or talent you have. Can you write, design? Maybe you're a social media whiz. Use what you've got. Next, offer your services for free to build a portfolio. It sounds counterintuitive, but it works. Showcasing your skills leads to paying clients. Third, leverage free online tools. Websites like Canva for design, WordPress for blogging, and even social media platforms for marketing, they're free and powerful. Fourth, network. Join industry groups on LinkedIn, attend free webinars, and connect with like-minded entrepreneurs. Relationships open doors. Fifth, barter your services. Need a logo? Trade your writing skills with a designer. It's win-win. Finally, stay persistent. It's tough at first, but every step gets you closer to success. Remember, every big business started small. So there you have it. You don't need money to start, just a little creativity and a lot of determination. Now go out there and make it happen.